What's good, guys? Today we are going to make a song from scratch similar to Sombr, Back to Friends, indie pop. That's the kind of vibe we're going. I'm going to be dropping a few gems along the way, but mostly we're just going to have fun, chill out, hang out, make some music together, catch a little vibe. So away we go. Let's just start. I got this little piano idea in my head, and I'm going to just record it randomly with this, like, my voiceover mic. This is our basic idea. We've got the chords in. Probably not going to end up using it, but it gives us like the rough guide. So let's write the chords in. We start with a G major 7, then we go to an A minor 7, then we go to an E minor 7, D minor 9. Like pretty chilled out indie pop progression. Sombr uses more like straight up, kind of boring triad chords, but indie pop uses 7ths and 9ths, so it's more fun that way. So we're just going to do that. Because this is really about having some fun, isn't it? So let's just quantize this a bit, because I played it quite out of time. I actually want this to be here. Yeah, sounds kind of horrible, but I kind of like it at the same time. Let's just EQ it a little bit. Maybe we add some crazy effect stuff on there. I haven't used this movement plugin for ages, but let's just try it out. That ET radio, I don't like the sound of it, but it gives me an idea that we could do like a radio effect on the piano. Now let's put this on a radio setting, lo-fi bandpass radio, and just put some reverb on it. Like a space, a hillside or some shit. Could be cool. Maybe we try Spaced Out. Okay, that's good for our little basic piano thing. Now we need some drum kind of sounds in here for sure, and then we can like layer this up, get the guitars in there, get the synths in there, get all of that fun stuff. But I'm feeling like, yeah, drums next. This is sounding nice, this little repetition. Okay, let's try and get something simple but clean in. Kind of like what I played just there. There was some like little ghost notes in there, but yeah, kind of here for that actually. Let's give it a little quantize because I was kind of all over the place, but we'll keep it loose. Like it's supposed to be live, isn't it? So we'll do like 78% quantize. Okay, we definitely like that. We want to get a little hi-hat pattern in. Perfect! Let's get all these like offbeat. Let me get all the 16th notes down in volume. Let's try this. Ooh, yeah. Goodness, that is fire. We're onto something. Okay, it is 7:30. I've been doing this for like half an hour. I'm gonna go to the gym, get a little workout in, get my health right, and then we are gonna come straight back to this, get some more layers in there for sure, get back to it, build out those drums, percussion, synths, guitars, all of that. But for now, it's workout time, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Here we are in the gym. I'm filming now, so you better be ready. We're tired. We can get back to the song soon. Now I've got Quiche.
Yo.
There you go, that's your intro.
Where am I looking when I say that?
Where are you looking? The camera's right there. You can say what's up. Quiche is gonna help me with this one, give me some advice, tell me if he thinks it sounds like
completely unqualified,
like ass or not. Okay. think we want some saturation on these drums. Let's try out this new plugin from Arturia. They kindly hooked me up with this little EQ. Yeah. Get some of that. Yeah.
Wait, the drum again? Does it have a snare in it?
Huh?
Does it have a snare in it?
Yeah, that's the snare.
I don't know. You know how I feel about it.
You hate.
I don't hate snares.
You're always hating on the snares. Oh no, I like that though. I'm feeling that one. Okay. I think you should maybe have live bass on there. Okay, let's get these vocals in. Fire. I love these. They're messy, but they are so fun. I want to get kind of like a clean sound, but nothing like too crazy. It's cool. Let's do that. Got those two locked in. I'm gonna give it some effects processing, like some delay, reverb. RC20 could go nicely here. Yo, you like it? Nice. I'm gonna play it higher up. That's nice. We got it in multiple parts. I want to change up the amp sound of that in a second. I also want to get more of that like strum, like that. Let's change up this like sound. Evergreen tones. I do like that, to be honest. I wanted to get, obviously we'll double this to go here. Then I had one cool idea which I'm gonna get to in a second with that, but first I want to do like a more, like a little repeating melody kind of thing, like something really simple, something like dead simple like that. I like that part, I like that thing. Let's redo the first part. It's fine. Now with this, I want to go duplicate, and I want to reverse this in the right place, obviously. Extremely cool. Needs a little bit of fixing up, but it's It's there or thereabouts. Maybe a different sound. I want to get some spaced out on there just to groove that out a little bit. EQ these guitar chords a bit. I wonder if we make like an intro part, maybe with the guitar chords. It's gonna be like... It's cool. Oh, that's crazy actually, and then what we'll do is we'll make this cut out in time with this, so that we get that fill to have its own little moment. That's clean, that is clean, I can't lie. That's sounding pretty crazy. Now what if we get the piano here and we put some crazy like granular thing on it? I want this plugin called Silo. And maybe get it swirling around the stereo spectrum. I mean, I like it. Pan Man? Maybe? Dynamic pan. Okay, then we're just going to automate this to go, the volume to go off right before a little bass hit to give it more contrast. Drops sexy. I want to automate the volume of this down as well, but not like fully. I just want it to go down by like 12 dB, 10 dB or something. A bit less. Just like that, a little bit. Oh man, that just feels so good, doesn't it? Alright, it's been a few days. I've been busy. Unfortunately, my girlfriend was sick, so I've been looking after her, but we're finally back. So I spent a few days thinking about what kind of vocal style I want to do with this. Obviously, Sombr's vocals are kind of like that indie pop, indie rock, bigger, but his range is way higher than mine, so I've kept it a little bit more chill for the idea. I haven't actually like recorded it yet, but I've got an idea of what we're going to do, so let's just try and get started. We'll record a few layers and go from there.
Take me dancing, oh, take me dancing. I got 2 left feet for you, babe. So romantic, oh, it's so romantic. All I want is you tonight, babe.
Okay.
Take me dancing, oh, take me dancing. I got 2 left feet for you, babe. So romantic, oh, it's so romantic. All I want is you tonight, babe.
Easy money.
Take me dancing, oh, take me dancing. I got 2 left feet for you, babe.
Alright, that was pretty tiny.
So romantic, oh,
Leave it till we put a bit of compression on it.
all I want is
Look at LA2A.
tonight, babe. Take me dancing, oh, take me dancing.
Sounds good.
I got 2 left feet for you, babe. So romantic.
Let's go Pultec and add some high end with that.
So romantic. All I want is you tonight, babe.
It's gonna go on auto tune. I'm gonna leave it in the chromatic key so that it's just tuning each note like to the nearest note.
All I want is you tonight, babe. Take me dancing, oh, take me dancing.
I'm pretty happy with that, how that sounds actually. Got a bit of spaced out on there. But before we take a listen to the final beat, I just wanted to mention I just created a really cool new resource for you guys called the Producer Growth Scorecard. It is a little interactive quiz that will basically help you find your strengths and weaknesses as a producer and give you a really cool personalized report that you can use to know what to work on more, where your strengths are lying, and how best you can actually improve your skills as a producer. It's completely free, so just check that out in the description below. Let's take a listen to that final beat. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.
Take me dancing, oh, take me dancing. I got 2 left feet for you, babe. So romantic, oh, it's so romantic.